Hi, I'm Mark from Klecker's Heating and Air Conditioning in Watertown, Wisconsin. We've been a WoodMaster dealer since 1998, selling, servicing, installing WoodMaster stoves all over the area. What I like about it is the customers that we deal with. I mean, I'm going to say 99% of our WoodMaster customers are really good, genuine people. They get a product, they're loyal to the product. I'll go check on them, call them, and oh, it's working great. Thanks for the hookup. The CleanFire EPA stove is new to us in the last couple years. A lot of positive comments, burning less wood. I've learned how easy they are to clean and to maintain, and they will perform for you. The tax credit is huge for the CleanFires now. It gets everyone's attention. With the purchase of the stove and the full installation, 26% adds up. We offer master financing to the customer, which is through WoodMaster. What's nice with WoodMaster, there's no additional cost for financing. It's a cash price or a finance price. It doesn't matter. It's the same to the end user, to the customer, and it doesn't cost us as a dealer anymore. Well, if you want to be a WoodMaster dealer, you need to make a commitment. You're going to do that. I mean, yes, you can have another job, you can do other things, but if you're going to be a dealer, you got to do installation, you got to do service. If you're not going to do any service, stand behind it, it's not going to work. You want to keep your customer happy, and you got to have parts, you got to be available to take care of them. I always tell people that it's not just the product, it's who you buy it from and the service you get. And we feel it holds true for Klecker Heating, and the same with WoodMaster.